Hi guys, you made it to this is 5 of Duval Homeroom. So this is your introductory video and overview of your week. So I'm going to start by showing you the 2 different ways that you can get to your sway for this week. So the first way is if you go to your assignment for week 5, obviously this is last week, week 4, but it'll be the same for week 5. Down at the bottom, there's a link where it says reference material that says it'll say week 5 sway. So you'll click that, or the other way that you can do it is if you're in the general teams page channel, there's a link that says go to this sway, and you'll click that and it'll pop up. So I'm going to show you week 5 sway. There will be this video at the top, but obviously I'm recording it now, so it's not there. So this is due on Friday, the 24th. So you're reviewing exponents and roots this week. So your first task is to watch this video about exponents, what is an exponent, and how do we see them in math. Then task 2 is 2 topics on exponents. They need a SMART score of 75 because they're really easy. So I'm going to show you the first one. So it's just understanding exponents. So you'll look at it. Okay, so I see there's 2/15. So the 15 has an exponent of 2 and 2 for 49. Hit submit. So that one's super easy. SMART score of 75. I close it. I go back. I click F.2. This is evaluating exponents. And you need to make sure that you are signed in. If you guys are not signed in to IXL, see how it says welcome Rose Sater at the top. If it says log in, then I can't see what you guys are working on. So you need to make sure that you've signed in before you start practicing so that I can see what you've done for the week. So it says evaluate 2 to the 3rd power. So that would be 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 again, because that's 3 2s. That would give me 8. And I hit submit. Okay, 75 SMART score. Next task. Task 3 is to watch this video about taking the square roots or cube roots of numbers. There is some stuff in this video that goes a little bit beyond what we're going to be doing this week, but I still need you to watch it and take notes so that you know what you're doing for task 4. So task 4 is another IXL on roots. So the first one is square roots, F.15, and the second one is cube roots, F.20. So cube root, it looks like this. Square root of 81, I know that 9 times 9 is 81, so 9 is my answer. And you keep going until you get a score of 75. Next one, cube roots. So I click it, I look at my number underneath my cube root sign, or it just says what is the cube root of 1. I know that any number times itself is 1, so this one would be 1. It'll get more challenging, but you still need a SMART score of SMART score of 75 for this one. And your last task for the week is to fill out the form. So you'll read through the form and make sure that you have all 3 answers filled out before you hit submit. One thing that I realized last week is that if you are not signed into your OneView account, it might not show up here at first. So what I would recommend that you do is you go to the little add tab piece in your browser, go to the Duval Schools OneView account, make sure that you're signed in up here. And if you're not, then you need to sign in and then go back and hit refresh on the top of your page to make sure that it loads. If you guys have any questions, you can find me on the Southside Homeroom Math channel from 12 to 1 every day. You can email me. You can go on our team's page where it says Ask Miss Sater Questions. You can call or text, and that number is 904-419-8057. Find me on Instagram. Literally so many different ways that you can talk to me so that we can make sure you have an amazing week. So happy week 5, guys. Bye.